Alright, welcome to McBoss Capital Channel. My name is Michael Chu. Today is January 6th, Tuesday, 2026, second uh, day of this week here. Market is pretty much near flat, 0.08% for NASDAQ. Dow is up 0.2. S&P is up slightly, 0.2 as well. NASDAQ volume, MIC volume is lower after yesterday's pretty high volume. All right, going to stocks on the move here. We do see many stocks today as well, just like yesterday. So far the new year has started with lots of volume, lots of buying, especially in like some of the cyclical areas. But that being said, today we're seeing techs come back as well. So some of the hot stocks are still going. We'll look at that in a second. Let's look at QQQ here. We just up a little bit again. um Not the strongest index, and we are already coming back down quite a bit, so could be testing the lows today, which is not a good sign. SPY, actually same thing with SPY as well. So the market is definitely weaker today because it came back quite a bit. So but it's still trading tight range. Then we have Dow here. Dow did really well yesterday, make new high. You can see right there, very strong close as well. Today we also making pretty good progress. Look at this, we just don't want to come back down. So industrials continue to lead. Let's look at Russell here. Same thing with Russell. Lots of financials in that area. Still doing really well. So again, holding pretty nicely. So again, Dow and Russell continue to lead here, with S&P and NASDAQ a little bit weaker today, relatively. In terms of stocks in the move, with an HSI, this is, yeah, I've been doing well. In the retail group, especially in the discretionary area, looks pretty good today. We have Burrow, CMG, Dollar Tree, EXPE, HSI, HTHT, LUV, RH, SE. Those are all doing well today. They're all bouncing pretty nicely. Let's look at RH, Restoration Hardware. This one, deep correction. It finally broke the long-term trend here, and now we're coming back up pretty strong. SC, also another one that's been breaking the long-term trend here as well, doing well. So again, a lot of these stocks have been beaten, and now they're coming back on the right side. Let's keep going here. We have FIGR. This looks like a pretty interesting stock, because it's an IPO number one, and we broke out this really huge pattern here. So yeah, this is looking pretty good, and it's gonna be very interesting. And also, like, the it's not on my list right now just because the future earnings are a little bit down, but the next 3 quarters look pretty good, right? So maybe this could be its turn to run. So yeah, maybe something you might be interested in. ECO oil tankers. We're seeing MU, we're seeing WDC here. um let's see, what else do we see? STX, right? um and another stock that's not on this list, I don't know why, is SanDisk. So they're all doing well. Again, this has been the leader from last year, and looks like we are breaking out once again. Look at this. So last year we already have this huge run on SanDisk, and then we corrected big time, and then today it just came out. I think there was some news related to Korea or something. I don't know the exact specific, but you can check it out. WDC also breaking out here. Again, all the stocks have run pretty strong last year, and now it's coming out again once more. And then we have STX. Even STX kind of been a little bit more relatively less performant than the others. But again, even that one's coming out. And then finally we have MU, which is also a very strong leader. You know, this one actually came out before the other ones. Look at this run recently. So very strong stock. All four are doing really well, moving again. So that's in the tech area. And then we have Form here doing well. LSGC again. Some of this chip stock are still doing well. MCHP as well. MXL. All these chip stocks are doing well. We have Teradyne here as well. And then we have TSM. TSM is also doing really well right here. It's one of the leader for sure for mega cap. Nvidia is just still kind of stuck in this range here, so not moving much. And then we have Zeta making a big move today. There was some news as well. This one breaking out too. So yeah, so that looks pretty good as well. Let's keep going on the stocks on the move here. And then we have gold stocks again, AUGO. Just trying to check what BVN, HL, Hecla Mining, Anglo Gold AU. We also have silver down here, PAS. So yeah, it's just again gold and silver continue to show strength. Look at this is second day of bounce now. And then silver also bouncing new high today. Wow, that's amazing. So that one has PAS there. Looking pretty good. It's not new high, but pretty close. And then we have AG Majestic Silver. This one first, yeah, this one also making new high right now. And then let me see here. Yeah, all gold, GFI, HL, yeah. We also have some mining related SCCO, SGML in the lithium, SQM in the fertilizer. Those are also doing well. Let's keep going here. Health, it's not too bad. We have some health here. ARGX, KRYS, KNSA here. On my list, let me go look at my list here. ASTH, ATAC, BTSG, Halo, MEDP, and PAX, which is still the leader in this whole group here. Let me go to PAX for a second. And still riding the 10-day here, looking pretty sharp. Yeah, still holding on to all the gains here. We have industrials FTAI here. This one is still powering through. Not too much on the top here. Let me go to my list, see if anything pop up. Not too much today. Only FTAI really show up today on the industrials. And then let me see, what else did we not talk about? Financials, EBR, Futu, TPG, again, a little bit weaker industrials and financials today, but you know, at least at the growth stock level. So yeah, overall, I think it's still another healthy day. We're seeing, even though it's less volume, but it's still trading pretty good right now. Again, we're only 2 days into the new year. We could see some turbulence coming soon, especially as new earnings season starting, right? So that's something to be aware of because usually there's some turbulence. But right now, the market is trying to find its footing. So that's the key. If it doesn't hold, then we're into bigger trouble because we're not that far from yesterday's intraday gap up low here. But that is the problem because we could test that. Anyhow, thank you all for watching. Have yourself a good day.